Welcome to our quick guide on fixing the Steam_API 64. DLL is missing error. Today we're tackling this common issue that affects gamers and Steam users. Stay tuned as we explore solutions involving Steam reinstalls, file integrity checks, and system updates. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other you like using. In the search bar, type latest C++ and hit enter. Go ahead and click on the very first link to find the latest version of C++. Right-click on the Windows Start button. From the menu that pops up, click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for System and give that a click. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on About. Here you'll find details about your PC. Check your system type. This tells you whether you need the 32-bit or 64-bit version of C++. Click on the link to download the C++ file that matches your system type. When prompted, choose Save As to select where to save the file. Click Save, and your download will start. You can see the progress at the bottom of your browser window. Once the download is complete, open the folder where you saved the file. Find the downloaded C++ file and double-click on it to start the installation. Click Run to continue. In the installer window, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Just click on the checkbox to agree. Now, click Install to begin the installation process. If prompted for permission, click Yes. To authorize the installation. The installation will now start. It might take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see an option to restart your computer. Go ahead and click Restart to finish the setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.